Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about irrigation engineering. An important term in irrigation engineering is delta. Delta means the total depth of water in centimeter required by a crop to come to maturity is called as its delta. Usually it is represented in centimeters. Okay, the unit of delta is centimeters. These problems are very important with respect to the students who are attending AE or AEE exams or GATE exam. These small numericals will be asked for them. So first one is, if rice requires about 10 centimeter depth of water at an average interval of about 10 days and the crop period for rice is 120 days, find out the delta for rice. Okay, so what is requirement? The water requirement at an interval of 10 days for a period of 120 days. So they are asking the water required, that is delta for rice. So the total number of waterings required are 12. Okay, so delta is equal to 12 into 10 centimeter for 10 days for a period of 120 days. So the 10 centimeter is the depth of water. Hence delta for rice is 120 centimeter. Second is, if wheat requires about 7.5 centimeter of water after every 28 days and the base period for wheat is 140 days, find out the value of delta for wheat. So first we need to calculate always the number of waterings required. Here what they have mentioned, that wheat requires 7.5 centimeter of water after every 28 days. So for 140 days. So 140 divided by 28 means 5 number of waterings are required. So delta for wheat is 5 into 7.5. For every 28 days 7.5 centimeter of water. So 7.5 into 5, 37.5 centimeter is the depth of water required, that is delta. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can find my contact number in comment section for AE and AEE coaching of civil engineering for various states. Thank you.